What is the secret to building a successful business and building a great life? One of those secrets is building relationships. You see, a lot of people don't understand the importance of building a relationship. For instance, one person can change your life and your business. You're just one person away from having a breakthrough in your life and business. Mehul Gaglani, one person, changed the sales processes, finances, and also even the delivery part. Bronze Leon, she changed the operations and landing pages, the marketing and funnels, and one person can change your life and your business. But to do that, we need to learn how to build a relationship with them. So in this video, I'm going to share a few tips on how you can build a great relationship and can take your life and your business to the next level. Number one, give first. When you give first, what happens is then the person who is a receiver, they have a great connect with you because they know that, wow, without even asking, the person has given me more. And you keep giving more and more and more and more. What happens is you build a connect which is heart to heart, not just more transactional. That is the first step. When I met Bronze, I just gave her access to a lot of things, ideas, things, and she also started responding in such a way that added value to my business automatically. Same thing happened with other relationships that I built. I always look for how can I give more, how can I give first before even I ask for anything. And I don't usually ask a lot. So I give, right? That's number one. Number two, think for long-term relationship. You see, most of the people look at relationship, what can I get? That's first thing that they make mistake. Second is they just look for short term. Can I get something from somebody this time? Even if they engage with somebody, it's always for short time. Most of the time, they do it for short term. When you build a great relationship, when you have a great person that you want to build and build a connect and rapport with, look at a long term, right? Look at 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, or maybe lifelong. When you start your relationship with a long-term thinking, your act will be different, your behavior will be different, and the result will automatically be different. That's number two. Number three, pay for great relationships. You see, if you want to build a great relationship with some amazing people who are 5 times, 10 times, 50 times better than you, why should they build a relationship with you? In that case, pay for the entry, pay for the relationship. For instance, Seafood Danlock. You see, I built a great relationship with him. When I started following him, started watching his video, I could not get access to him directly. So what did I do? I built a relationship through podcast interview. Then I read his book, bought his program, got into inner circle, and then I went closer and closer and closer over a period of time, last 2.5 years. Now I have his personal number. I can talk to him. I can ask him questions. How did I get into that? How did I build a relationship with Seafood Danlock? By paying for the relationship, and then after making the payment, then pay with the loyalty, pay with respect, pay with the results, not just the money. Pay money first to get the access, but that only can get you access. But then you continue to pay through loyalty, respect, and results. That will build a great relationship. So these are the 3 tips that I highly recommend for anybody to build a great relationship. And once you start building more and more and more great relationship, guess what? Your business and your life will start becoming enriched and going to the next level, next level, next level. Continue doing that. Do not stop, because relationships are the key to success. This is Dev Gadhvi, and you're watching my channel. Put it in chat box. What is the one action step you're going to take after watching this video? Because theory is nothing. I mean, it doesn't matter. Knowledge is nothing, but implementation is everything. So put it in chat box. What is the first thing that you're going to do to build a relationship? And if you like my content, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel so that I can give you more and more and more. All right. I will see you in the next video. Take care and God bless you.